Hello, Facebook Live. Jamie here. Happy Friday, TGIF Friday. Welcome to Cocktail Time with Jamie. Today I'm making something called the Old Cuban. Marcus chose this drink today, so I will make that especially for him. I might have to make a double, so I have some too. We'll see. I'll taste it first and make sure I like it. Thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Daniel. Hello everybody for watching me live. If you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Thank you for watching me. Today is this week we have our $9.99 special, which is a crab cake to go on a pretzel bun. That is our week-long special. We've been doing $9.99 specials the last couple of weeks, to go only. If you'd like it in-house, it does cost more, but it is awesome and delicious. It doesn't come with anything, so you could add sides to it. We have a sauteed broccoli, sauteed Romanesco. You can do a pear salad or Caesar salad. You can do mushroom risotto, garlic mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes. So we have lots of options for you. You can also get other things off of our regular menu, so it doesn't only have to be the crab cake. You can get other things off of our menu as well. So that is our $9.99 special for the week. Monday will be a new special, and Sunday we do a $9.99 special of green curried mussels and shrimp served with broccoli and rice. We do that every Sunday, so give us a call. You can call anytime. You don't have to wait until we open at 5 o'clock or 3 o'clock on the weekends. Wow, I got a lot of people joining me today, so thank you everybody very much. I appreciate it. Hello. Jim all the way in Washington, Ellensburg, Washington. I watch his Facebook Lives all the time, and he says Jamie from Ellenville, New York. So Jim is watching from Ellensburg, Washington. He said, I'm interested in tacos. He has an awesome restaurants out in Ellensburg. If you're ever out there, check them out. Wings Central, Brooklyn's Pizzeria, Roadhouse Grill, so check them out. And he also just started a food truck in front of his restaurant, because out in Washington right now, restaurants cannot be open inside. So he has an awesome setup outside. Check him out if you're ever out that way. It's awesome. So Daniel is asking, how is our son? Our son is doing well. He's resting. Tomorrow he gets to start putting weight on his leg. For those of you that don't know, Justin had ACL surgery on Wednesday. So he will be redshirting this year, this next semester, and getting prepped and ready to go, hopefully to play in a summer league. He is feeling good. He hasn't really moved around very much. He is in a brace that goes from the top of his thigh all the way down to almost his ankle, so he can't move it. It's completely straight right now. So he's looking forward to them bending it a little bit next week, and he's looking forward to putting some weight on it tomorrow. He can start doing that tomorrow. So he can shower, look at the scars, look at the incisions, and then shower and start putting some pressure on it. So thank you very much for asking. I appreciate that. That's been a big focus of ours this week. I've been bringing him tons and tons of really good foods. He actually just asked for our mushroom risotto for dinner tonight, so I will be bringing him that. I have him on beet juice. I have him on a lot of really good stuff. So thank you very much for checking in on him. So thanks everybody. Again, $9.99 special this week is our crab cake. It can be gluten-free, so you can get it gluten-free. And then Sunday, our special is a green curry mussel and shrimp served with rice and broccoli. Don't forget, our grocery store is still open. Lots of cool, fun things coming in. We do have H&H bagels, so you can take those home. We have wild smoked salmon, awesome for the weekend. We have mimosa kits, so all that fun stuff for you. So, all right, on to my drink. So this is for Marcus. He found this for me, the Old Cuban it's called. You really only need 5 ingredients. So you need a dark rum, you need lime juice, agave or simple syrup, mint leaves, and sparkling wine. So I am going to use this 8-year-old rum. So I'm going to take my shaker, which already has ice in it. I'm going to add 1 ounce of rum. And I'm interested. They call this the what is it, like an old time mojito, Marcus? Is that what they called it?
Old Cuban.
No, but they said it's similar to a mojito.
Similar to mojito.
So it's 1 ounce of rum. It is a half an ounce of lime juice. So I'm going to put 5 squirts of lime juice. A half an ounce of agave. I am going to take about 10 mint leaves. So nice fresh mint. I'm going to put that in my shaker. I'm not muddling it this time. I'm just shaking it. So I'm hoping that it gets some of the, maybe I was supposed to break it up. I don't know. Didn't really say, but I'm going to break some up so it gets a little bit of mint in there. And I feel like this is going to be a very small drink, but I'm going to shake it up. Shake it real good. Ooh, it smells good. I can smell that mint. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello Sabrina. Hello Calvin. Hello Gary, Fidelia. There are a bunch of other people on as well, so I'm going to take it real good. And then I am going to strain it out, and I am going to put it into, so I see what they're talking about here. So there is some mint leaves in there. So they said to double strain it. I obviously didn't double strain it, but it looks really good. Get it all out. Yummy. And then I'm going to top it off with about 1 ounce of Prosecco, so sparkling wine. And there you have it, the Old Cuban. So this is a new drink for me. Sounds a lot like a mint julep. It probably is like a mint julep. Mint juleps are made with rum. It smells good. Cheers, everybody. Now I need a drink, Calvin said. So I'm always looking for new, interesting drinks. If you have one, private message me, send me a message, email me. Our grocery list is available, aromatimebistro.com, except the bourbon. So mint julep has bourbon in it. That's what I thought. Ooh, that's yummy. Well, I guess I know I will be making myself one. I will hand this off to Marcus so he can enjoy it. It is really good. They say serve it in a champagne flute. We don't have champagne flutes, so this is one of my favorite glasses. Mint julep is bourbon. Thank you so much, Matthew. Matthew comes to a lot of our wine dinners, and he likes our drinks here, so I knew somebody would know the answer to that on here. So thanks, everybody, for watching us. I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. There is no snow in the forecast. I think it's going to be in the 30s. So I did a 4-mile walk on the rail trail today. I took out the border collie, Barolo, and went on the trail with him. That was awesome. And then Marcus went on a run with Barolo. So Barolo got like 6 miles in today. So he's probably pretty tired. And I think that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. If I have time this weekend, I'll get online. I'll do a Facebook Live. Check me out on Monday. And that is it. Enjoy your weekend and cheers, everybody.